Hello everyone, this is Ehsan from Persian Walk, and today I'm here to show you and talk about Tehran Metro. First of all, the most important thing that always I pay attention is the logo of Metro. Many cities I've been to and they have a different logo with an M inside, but Tehran Metro logos is different, so be careful to find it easily. But when you enter Iran, most of the travelers enter by the Imam Khomeini Airport or IKA. If you happen to come from 6:30 a.m. to 7 p.m., you have a chance to use metro. You can get on the metro here and through the red line go to Shahed Bagher and then switch your metro again in red line or line 1, but you need to find the direction towards Tajrish. Then you go to the city and easily you can get off at any destination or any station you want. Something else that is very important is that the city center, Imam Khomeini station and Tanzeh Khordad are the meeting point of our tours, and also the place that you can get off the metro and easily access to Tehran Bazaar or Golestan Palace. So when you get on this red line, you access to this. But on your second day or third day, many of our travelers would like to visit Tajrish as an evening tour. So we run our tours there, our food tour, our Tajrish walking tour or Darban tour. Easily you can get off at the last station of red line, line 1, and easily you can access to the north neighborhood of Tehran. But there are several other destinations you can easily access by metro. One of them is the symbol of Tehran, Azadi Tower, Liberty Tower, the White Tower. And it has a metro station here, Meydan Azadi. Meydan means square. So this tower is at the middle of a big square. You can go to yellow line and easily find this tower. And something else that recently become very popular for travelers is Tabiat Bridge or Nature Bridge, which is designed by a very nice Iranian lady, a good architecture. And you can access to this by going to Shahid Haqqani or Haqqani metro station. These are the most popular destinations that you can find in your trip in Tehran. And if you have more questions, you can find more details on our blog that I wrote about discovering Tehran by metro, because you can avoid hectic traffic of Tehran, especially in the evening or early in the morning. Or you can send us messages through WhatsApp, email, Telegram, and we do our best to guide you. Thank you so much.